Contour Surveyors Noida is a leading company in the field of land surveying and mapping services. With years of experience and expertise, they offer top-notch contour surveying services to clients in Noida and its surrounding areas. Their team of skilled surveyors utilizes the latest technology and equipment to accurately measure and map the contours of the land. Whether it's a residential, commercial, or industrial project, Contour Surveyors Noida ensures that their clients have accurate data for designing and planning purposes. One of the key services provided by Contour Surveyors Noida is contour mapping. This process involves measuring the elevation of points on the land and creating a detailed map that represents the contours or lines of equal elevation. This information is essential for various purposes such as site planning, drainage design, and construction. The contour maps generated by Contour Surveyors Noida are highly accurate and provide clients with valuable insights into the topography of their land. Another important service offered by Contour Surveyors Noida is topographic surveying. This involves gathering detailed information about the natural and man-made features of a particular area. By conducting a comprehensive topographic survey, Contour Surveyors Noida can provide clients with accurate data on the location of buildings, roads, trees, and other features on their land. This information is crucial for architects, engineers, and designers who need to understand the existing conditions of a site before planning any construction or development project. In addition to contour mapping and topographic surveying, Contour Surveyors Noida also specializes in providing SCON design services. Whether it's a residential building, commercial complex, or industrial facility, Contour Surveyors Noida can help clients visualize their ideas by creating detailed SCON designs. One of the top businesses offering mapping and land surveying services is Contour Surveyors Noida. They provide top-notch contour surveying services to clients in Noida and the neighboring areas because of their years of experience and competence. To precisely measure and record the land's contours, their team of knowledgeable surveyors makes use of cutting-edge tools and technologies. Contour Surveyors Noida makes sure that their clients get reliable data for designing and planning needs regardless of whether the project is residential, commercial, or industrial. The contour mapping service offered by Contour Surveyors Noida is one of their main offerings. In this method, elevation of locations on the land are measured, and a precise map is made to show the contours or lines of equal elevation. The planning of sites, designing drainage systems, and building need the use of this knowledge. Contour Surveyors Noida creates extremely precise contour maps that give clients important information about the topography of their property. Topographic surveying is a crucial service that Contour Surveyors Noida provides. This entails compiling comprehensive data on the local area's natural and man-made aspects. The location of structures, roads, trees, and other elements on a client's property can be precisely determined by Contour Surveyors Noida by conducting a